Hey, what's up? So if you're watching this video, that means you're trying to figure out how to utilize this brush that you just purchased, right? You're like, what's the difference? What makes it so great? Let's clear the air right here. This brush is made of plants. That's it. It just doesn't have any death on it. So no dead pigs, no pig hair, just plants. This is made from sisal agave. And with that being said, this brush does sometimes have a little dust, but it's not dirt. It's literally just dry plant. So it's just dry plant, nothing crazy. You'll be good to go. Now, if you want to clean it, totally get it. Like it is clean. But if you want to clean it anymore, that's totally fine. You can just take it in the shower with you, use it in the shower. But one word to the wise, if you use it in the shower with warm water, what'll happen is the bristles will get softer, right? Just anything that gets like warm water on it, think of it like, I don't know, like heating up a string bean, right? String beans are nice and brittle when they're dry. When you warm them up, they get nice and soft. Same thing with this. So when you do that, if you use it in the shower, it's going to get a little softer, but it won't get too soft because this bristle is a medium hard bristle, right? So it's really good for me digging into the beard, getting to the roots when I'm working in, kind of sort of. My hair's a little bit longer now, but it'll get there. It'll get to the roots, and that's good for exfoliating the skin underneath. If you decide to use this in the shower and soften the bristles to clean it or anything of that nature, it will get a little bit softer. So it'll go from a medium hard to like a medium, like a low end medium, which is totally cool as well for folks that like, to finesse, to silk over their waves. All you got to remember with this brush is just to take care of it, all right? Don't leave it in the water because it is made of wood, so the back is wood. So you don't want to leave it sitting in the water because the wood will swell up. Don't leave it sitting in the sun because the wood will start changing colors. If you want to clean it, cleaning to me is the tricky part, but that's for any brush really. I use tweezers or the end of a rat tail comb or even an afro pick, and I just pick out any old hair or dirt. And then also I have no problem sitting mine in some water, cleaning it that way. You can use cold water. Cold water does a good job as well of cleaning it. Obviously, hot water does a better job of cleaning out germs, but cold water does do a good job of helping get out a lot of the gunk and grime that's left over there, and it will not cause the bristles to get softer. All right, so if you have any questions about that, feel free to leave in the comments below. Getting super chill. I'm gonna tag a couple videos at the end of this video that you can watch. You can learn a little bit more about the brushes, how I like to use them. You can use whatever way you want. It's your brush. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to help you out and enjoy your time. All right? If you have any questions, again, comments or concerns, leave them in the comments below. Or you can send an email over to Monique, and she will be glad, so glad, to answer any question you may have, because she's my little sister, and she loves me. So she loves helping me. It's the best part. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah.